What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it major song that I like that.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY ring pop. This ring pop is more for Easter, like a springy type of ring pop. As you see, I have some flowers here, and some of these items I'm reusing from other projects. But of course, feel free to go out and get the items that you need at the store. Okay, so I have 2 bowls, some flowers. I may or may not use this tablecloth from my DIY candy. I have some tissue paper, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, a scarf. I have these decor eggs, a puzzle. My location finally got the wreaths in. Pom-pom trim, which I may or may not use. And I do believe this scarf is the same design from my Easter wreath. So go ahead and check out all those videos. Before I get started with this project, what I need y'all to do is say hey T in the comment section and go ahead and become a sweetie. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and play some music because my baby wants to watch his show. So yeah, y'all enjoy the project.
I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you.
Man,
I'm ready
this
to do what I do.
again.
This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute pips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 make it riding. Don't hesitate when you get it cause you want. Let it get making up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it cause you want, let it get making up a day for you bite it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Last minute pips to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Last minute pips to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you island. Don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate when you like it when you don't hesitate when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. I wanna get wild. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you drip, 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 drip. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it cause you want, let it get making up a day for you bite it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Last minute pips to the island. making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Alright, sweeties, I'm now done with this super duper cute floral ring pop. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy, budget friendly Dollar Tree DIY project. If you decide to create this same look, go ahead and tag me in your pictures or videos on social media. My social media names are in the description box down below, as well as in the intro and outro of all my videos. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up, share, share, share. Sharing is caring. Go ahead and become a sweetie. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away.